This video I will show you how to easily edit photos with LuminarAI, mainly two of the AI features, Composition AI and Sky AI. You can use Composition AI to correct the vertical, so the first photo here shows you. I'm going to click on Composition AI and scale here, and you can adjust the photo vertically and horizontally and change the aspect ratio to rotate and flip everything. I'm going to go ahead and click on Composition Perspective Correction, and let's see how it works. Alright, let's look at another one. Okay, editing the composition is very quick and easy. And you can use enhanced AI to adjust the accents. Image 3D transformation. Now let's take a look at the Sky AI. Switching to the Creative AI, there are many sky substitutions to choose from. It's easy to change the sky. You can also adjust the horizon blending and horizon position, relight scene, sky global, and more. Taking photos is very easy with this AI photo editor LuminarAI. If you like this video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos.